In today's video, I will show you how to allocate more RAM to your Minecraft. So to do this, we need to go to our Minecraft launcher, and now we need to go to the installation we want to change. For example, I have this one. This is the fabric loader. This is the one I will be using some mods. So this is very interesting to do this. We need to go here. We can click on edit, or we can just click on it. I will click on it. And now here we need to click on the more options. Here this is what we are looking for, the JVM arguments. And this is what we want to change. 8G means we are using 8 gigabytes. So depending on your system, you can use 12 gigabytes, 1 gigabytes. For using mods, I would recommend more than 4 gigabytes. In my system right now, I have 16 gigabytes, so I want to use half of it. So 8 gigabytes is okay, but you can also increment this by, for example, choosing 12. 12 gigabytes is more than enough for mods, unless you're using a lot of mods. So I will only recommend to use half of your system, but I will choose 12. And now we just open Minecraft. So here we can go to a world. For example, I will go to this one to show you that this is working. Now if we press F3. Here, as you can see, in this section, you can see it's using 12 gigabytes. This is what I allocated, so that's working. So that's everything for the video. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.